Oh my gosh. I'm really excited to open this. Hi guys, so I have a squishy package for you today, and this is from a shop on Amazon, and they actually sent this to me as a review. They are sending me like a lot of 20 squishies, all random. They're actually offering you a promo code for 15% off for this same package, and I think you should take advantage of it because after doing the math, it's about 70 cents per squishy, which I think is a great deal, so you guys should check out the links and use the promo code down below. So let's get started. So here is the box it came in. It's really sturdy, and it actually came in 2 days, which is unbelievably fast. So let's see. Oh my gosh, they actually sent so many fidget spinners and a fidget cube. They also sell fidget spinners and fidget cubes and like cables and then the squishy pack. But oh my gosh. I'm really excited to open this. Thank you so much for sending me these. So the first thing that I pull out are these 3 fidget spinners. So here are the 3 that they sent me. These are so fun. I actually haven't played with these before. So sorry if I look unskilled. But wow, these spin for a really long time. Kind of like how this looks. It kind of looks like a Captain America shield, doesn't it? Yeah, it looks like a Captain America shield. That's pretty neat. Next in the box are these 2 fidget cubes. All these cool things you can do. Makes a nice clicking noise. Roll things around. Okay, I need to stop playing around with all these. Let's go on to the squishies. Here is the pack of squishies. And it does come with all the ball chains in the back. Ooh, and they all have the default squishy smell, which I really like. So they all come in bags. Really cute yellow macaron with this little kissy face on it. This one is really soft. Very slow rising. Rilakkuma shaped donut in green with chocolate drizzle. It's sticky and soft. And it's fairly slow rising. A green bitten bread, and it has drizzle and sprinkles. It almost looks like a Christmas tree on the top. The Ampan Man head. A green bitten donut with drizzle and sprinkles. Yellow bread with drizzle and sprinkles. Chocolate looks really good. A blue bitten donut with chocolate drizzle. All these donuts are really soft. And they're all kind of sticky too, which I really like. This Rilakkuma shaped donut with a star, drizzle, and sprinkles. I believe this is like an egg tart or something along those lines because this looks kind of eggy. A bread with a flour drizzle and sprinkles. Heart with white drizzle. This shell that looks bread-like. This cute little green character with this little nose. So cute. Ooh, it's pretty squishy too. green crusted toast with chocolate drizzle and sprinkles. A Rilakuma shaped pancake type of thing with chocolate drizzle. This looks like a sushi with a nori rice and like something in the middle. This one's really soft and sticky. Another really cute character, which I don't know what it is, but it kind of looks like a seal face with a little body. Cute face. This one is very soft. A small little bread bun with drizzle and sprinkles. A flat type of cookie with this gradient and a star drizzle. Lastly is this really cute character face in blue, and it looks like it's drooling or something. It's really soft. And this one is pretty slow rising as well. So overall, this was an amazing package. So I would recommend these Squishies to new collectors, ones who are just starting out, but I also would recommend it to everyone else who wants to try decoing. I think these are perfect for decoing. They're all soft, they're squishy, and they're very affordable for the price. So check out their links down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!